Good morning, children. Now let's come to our next topic, that is your jet stream. See, jet stream is the body of air wind that blows in the troposphere above 12,000 meter. Its speed is 110 km per hour in summer and 184 km per hour in winter. It generally blows between 27 degree to 30 degree north latitude as well as between 27 degree to 30 degree south latitude. See, these jet streams blow throughout the year, that is from the India, but except in the summer it starts blowing above the Himalayas, but throughout the year it blows from all over the India. Right now, that is, it's a winter season is going on, so it blows from within the India, but when the extreme summers are there, that is in the month of May and June, it starts blowing above the, that is your above the Himalayas. See from where this name derives, jet stream. See, when World War II was going on, and when America went to drop the America fighter planes went to the Japan for dropping the bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. From there, they what they have find that when they are going there, they have find that is they're going with the speed. But when they are returning back, so their speed is very low. They are not able to go fast from that side. So that's why from there, due to those jet fighter planes, this name arises as we have given this band of air as the jet stream. So this jet stream, that is now during the winter months we receive the rainfall, that is the month of December and the January, that is beneficial for the rabi crops. So at that time cyclone is formed above Mediterranean Sea. This cyclone is brought towards the India and gives rainfall to this north and northwestern part of the India. It gives rainfall to this part of the India. With the help of this westerly jet stream, this cyclone moved towards India and give rainfall to the north and the snowfall in the high Himalayan areas and rainfall in the plain areas of the India, but only in the north and northwestern part of the India. During the summer season, one more jet stream blow towards the India. It is southeasterly jet stream. Okay, this is tropical jet stream, and this jet stream we call it as the subtropical jet stream because it is above the Tropic of Cancer in the north and below the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. So that's why we call them as the subtropical westerly jet stream or subtropical easterly jet stream.